What's good, YouTube? So today I'm going to be revealing my top 5 niches to sell in when it comes to Shopify dropshipping in 2024 and 2025. Now, this is a fully up-to-date winner product video. I'm even going to be showing you some of my winning products and the exact niches that I've made over $7 million in sales with in the last 6 years with Shopify dropshipping. And I'm going to be giving you a little gift. So with that, let's get into it. Now, real quick, if you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and try out my free AI Shopify store builder. As you can see, this week, I came out with a free AI store builder that can build your Shopify store in under 2 minutes. And it's actually wild. I've built a few stores already using the AI store builder, and it literally takes 2 minutes. I tried it out myself. So I'll leave the link down below in the description. The setup is super easy. Just click here on Build My Store. You're literally able to choose a niche to sell in and choose your banners, customize it. Just make sure you go through the steps super quickly to get that store. Again, I'll leave that in the description below for you to try out. Also, another big announcement is that I've partnered with TikTok to do over $150,000 giveaway. All the details will be in the second link in the description below. And no kidding, the first place gets $50,000 in cash. You can use it for whatever you want. You could buy a car with it. You could pay your mortgage with it. Second place gets $25,000. Third place gets $10,000. And then fourth to 23rd place gets $32.50 each. To enter the contest is actually really simple. Just go ahead and click that second link in my description and then go ahead and press create your account. On this page, you're going to be able to create a TikTok ads account and get up to $1,500 in free ad credits. Guys, there's literally no catch to this TikTok ads credit. They're rewarding new people that are signing up for TikTok ads by giving them free ad credits. So definitely take advantage of that by using the second link in my description. Now with that, let's get into my top niches and the products that I've sold that did over $7 million in sales for myself. Now, first winning product for me was the shark slippers. As you guys know, shark slippers was a massive winner for me, and I was one of the first people to get on this with my partner Ronell. We did over $900,000 in sales with one product, and we had crazy videos that went viral on Instagram and TikTok, and that obviously resulted in a ton of sales. Then we also took the viral videos that went viral on our social media, and we ran that as TikTok ads. And, obviously these gimmicky, trendy products are cool. So definitely don't rule them out, although you're not going to probably run these products for too long. This product lasted for around 6 to 12 months until we sold it. Now, product number 2 is the sea turtle necklace. Now, this product did 7 figures in sales. How? It was a really cool offer. We basically sold these turtle necklaces. They were super cheap for us to get. And we told people that if they buy it, they're going to be able to track their own turtle, which was really cool because we found a website that allowed people to track turtles. So we just sent those people to that actual website. We also said donate to help clean oceans on our landing page. We said they were giving 10% of sales to actually helping clean oceans, which we actually gave to organizations to help clean the oceans from the profits of the store. That definitely increased the conversion rates. Then another big winner for me was a face slimming strap, and it did over $1 million in sales. How? It really had a problem solving factor. This is a product that people are very insecure about face fat, and this offers a solution. By wearing this product, it will basically give you a better jawline, better looking face, right? And that is why this product did so well. And of course, it had a very low product cost, which allowed us to have high profit margins and allow us to scale really rapidly. So now that I showed you some of my previous winner products, let me tell you the top niches to sell in. It's really important to understand that having the right niche and right product already gives you 50% of competitive edge. There's a lot of people that are selling products and niches that are not growing, and therefore they're limiting themselves. So having the right niche to sell in will definitely help you out a lot for your dropshipping journey. So the first niche that I love is clothing. Now, clothing is something that is always changing, and therefore there's so many products that we can sell in the clothing niche, okay? Something that I would say is that clothing will be more of a trend, and trendy clothing do very, very well. Again, those products don't last too long, but you can easily make $10,000, $20,000, $50,000 on one product in the clothing niche. I've personally made the most money in the clothing niche. My best selling product ever was women's leggings, and that did about $3 million in sales. I recently had a women's clothing store that also did about $250,000 in sales, and we ended up selling that store as well. So there's a lot of potential when it comes to clothing, and you can take almost any product in the clothing niche and make it sell by having good creatives. So clothing that have a wow factor is a really great product to sell and a great niche to be in. For example, as you can see here, it's not basic shorts. It has the wow factor of having that underlining under the shorts. So therefore, when you're doing squats and you're in the gym, even if your shorts go up or go down, you won't be exposed. Niche number 2 is health products. Now health products is something that a lot of people struggle with and have a problem with, and they're looking constantly for products that will solve their problems in the health world. Okay, so having products like, let's say, this product, which obviously made millions and millions of dollars for drop shippers, this helped, with people that had pain or hunching issues, right? So, people are basically thinking to themselves, either I have to go get surgery or expensive treatments, or I get an inexpensive product that will solve my issue, which obviously in this case really solves people's posture, right? So any products in the health niche are really, really good, especially if it solves a big problem, and products that solve a health issue, definitely you can sell for a premium. So for example, this posture corrector, you can get it for a few dollars and sell it for $30, $40 easily because it has high perceived value. And when people see this product, they're like, wow, this can really solve my problem. Now, obviously, this may be a little bit saturated, although it will continue to sell for the years to come. There's thousands of other health products that you can sell. So this is niche number 2 that I recommend, the health niche. Now, niche number 3 is a pretty broad one, and it's also one of my favorite because women buy everything. So niche number 3 is women products. Women always shop online. Let's be real, right? And here's a product that's currently going crazy viral, and it's basically a magnetic eyelash, and it's pretty cool because most women spend hundreds of dollars a month on eyelashes, and this is a reusable eyelash extension that people could just take on and off very, very easily. So definitely a great niche to be in. Women products crush it. Literally anything that women will buy, you should sell because they buy a lot more than men. Now, number 4 is beauty products. Beauty products will always be there. It's also part of the women niche, and beauty products, again, is something that, women are constantly looking to buy. Here are a few examples. This is a product that I actually made a lot of money on. This is basically a snap-on veneer. So, veneers basically make your teeth look really nice. This is a before and after. Obviously, this product was super cheap to source from our private supplier, which is Commercive. Shout out to Commercive. And this is a product that people went crazy over because it gives them solution. It makes their face look more beautiful, and beauty products, people are willing to pay whatever it is to get their hands on it. This is another product that recently went viral. It's a hair identifier spray. They basically spray it over your face, and you can see all the hairs on your face. Especially women went crazy over this on TikTok, and it sold a lot of. Another amazing beauty product. And then obviously we've seen this product all over the place. This is a really cool makeup bag that is very portable. It's literally so simple. People just put in all their makeup and then pull the string and it just collapses, and then you can close it. So it's really portable, really on the go, and the creatives looked really nice for this product. Now, last but not least is home products. Home products have been crushing it for the last few years, and it's going to continue to sell very well because people, especially after COVID, really have been going crazy over just improving the way that they live. A lot of people are spending more time at home. So, trying to find those products with the wow factor that, like, for example, this water purifier, you just attach it to your sink and it purifies the water, right? Obviously, that is a massive problem solver because a lot of water at home is really, really disgusting. And, this is a at-home cheap alternative, which people love. And then, of course, all the LED home products went crazy over the last few years and will continue to sell in. So anything that has a wow factor when it comes to LED products, home products, make sure you keep an eye out for these type of products and make sure that you look at this niche because this is a great underrated niche for Shopify dropshipping 2024 and beyond. Like if you're watching this in 2026, these have been crushing it for me. So make sure that you get involved with these top 5 niches. Now, if you're looking to scale your e-commerce business to 10K a month and beyond this year, then go ahead and book an application call in the description, as I will be accepting a few more students into my private mentorship group where I will handhold you throughout the entire process. I will give you support. I'll be showing you exactly what I do on a day-to-day basis to scale my e-commerce businesses. I've done over $7 million to date with e-commerce, and hundreds of my students have completely changed their life because of my strategies. So if you are serious about starting and scaling your e-commerce business, or even if you have an e-commerce business already and you just want to take it to the next level and you want to get incredible results, and of course you're ready to put in the work, again, go ahead and go to the description, book an application call with my team, and we'll see if it's the right fit to work together, and of course, and give you all the details on how this all works. So with that, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button for more videos to come, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.